everyone, my name is Noe and today we're going to be making the glow-in-the-dark glue. This thing looks so cool and I'm so excited to make it. It's like a glow-in-the-dark like alien egg bunch, which is super cool. So let's get into it. What I'm gonna need is 30 millimeters of glue and a mixing bowl, which I have right here, and I'm gonna start pouring my glue into the bowl. And I'm so excited because I get to use glow-in-the-dark powder for the slime, which is super cool, and I can't wait to see it glow in the dark. Okay, now that I have that in there, the next thing is to add 1 level spoonful of the glow-in-the-dark powder. So I got it right here, and I'm going to open it and then pour it in. Okay. Let's open it. Okay, let's take my spoon. We just need 1 level spoonful of it. There it is, and I'm gonna pour it in. I'm so excited about it. And now I'm gonna mix it. I wonder if it's like a yellow tint, or if it's just regular. Yeah, it's like a yellowy tint. It looks so alien gooey already. Like an alien goop. It already looks like something an alien would have, or what it would do. Looks like it's an egg. The yolk from an egg. Okay. Next. I do not want to add any color ink so that it can work its magic and be to its full potential. So I don't want to dull it out, so I'm not going to add any color ink. Then I'm going to add 1 level spoonful of activator. I'm going to add 1 level spoonful of my activator. Okay. Now I'm going to mix it for 30 seconds. Woo! It already came together. So sticky. I was just wondering what glow-in-the-dark powder smelled like. Oh my goodness. It's like so tough, giving me an arm workout there. Okay. Scoop it all up. This one's so thick. Okay. Now that I have it all scooped up, take it out and mix it with my hands for a little bit. Make sure it's all mixed in. Okay, there we have it. Now, I think for the finale, I'm gonna add a pinch of black foam balls. And then I wanna turn off the light so I can see how it works. And I actually really wanna put it in the ball container, which is really cool. But first I'm gonna add my black foam beads. It looks like little aliens growing, little black foam beads. Yeah, it looks like little alien eggs in the goop. Put them right here. Stick them onto the goop. Okay, now to mix it. I got all these little alien babies on there. Okay, we should definitely turn off the lights to see how it works. Try giving your glow-in-the-dark alien a little energy boost by putting it to direct sunlight or next to a reading lamp for a couple of minutes. Then quickly check it out in a dark room. I'm just gonna put it on there. says the glow powder cleverly radiates the light after it has become energized from a light source, or maybe it's the alien energy glowing. So awesome. Oh, I can see it already. Wait, put it up a little bit closer. If you can see it, it already starts like moving it in. Okay. Okay, go quick, quick. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see it? I'm sure you can. It is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest thing. It looks like an alien egg with like little babies in it. Look, I'm gonna put it in a little circle. Doesn't it look like an alien egg there? Wait. So cool, guys. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite slime ever. It just like, it glows so much. And then look at the glow powder. It's glowing too. That is so cool. This is like one of my favorite slimes ever, just cause like it's so sciencey, and then you can see like the little glow stars glowing too, but it's so sciencey and just my favorite thing ever. Wait, look, I'm gonna dance with it. Can you guys see me, or is the ball just moving? Okay, oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Can you see my face? Mm-mm. Really?
No.
And then it's just regular. I like this slime so much because it looks like just clear slime until you turn it off, and it is so glowy. I also like it because of the science behind it, and it is just so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure that you guys go watch more videos like this and get your original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit to have some fun and make this slime, which is my favorite ever. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!